In previous lecture, we discussed about ball mill and fluid energy mill. In this lecture, we discuss about the edge runner mill. This point is the last but not least of the chapter, that is size reduction. So here edge runner mill. What is the principle of this edge runner mill? In that the size reduction is done by crushing, that is compression, due to weight of stones. These stones, due to the weight of these stones. Here कॉम्प्रेशन इज ऑकर्स. कॉम्प्रेशन म्हणजे काय, तर अगोदरच्या काळात जातं वापरायचे दळण दळण्यासाठी. त्याच्यामध्ये 2 स्टोन असायचे आणि ते स्टोन काय करायचे, कॉम्प्रेशन ऑकर करायचे आणि जे काही गहू ज्वारी जे काय असतील ते काय व्हायचं, त्याचं साईज रिडक्शन व्हायचं. लाईक दॅट हिअर 2 स्टोन आर अटॅच्ड विथ इच अदर अँड इट गिव्स द compression on the material. Here shearing force is occurs between these rollers. What is meant by shearing force? Shearing force means that pushing one part of the material in one specific direction and another part of the body in a opposite direction. Means this roller gives the material towards this roller and towards opposite direction. Okay, and this roller gives the second part of the material here. Means between these two rollers shearing forces occurs. Then what is the construction of this edge runner mill? In that here it shows the diagram of the edge runner mill. In that this mill consists of metal casing. This is a metal casing and inside this casing these stone rollers are placed. Okay, these 2 stone rollers are placed and these stones are attached with this middle shaft, and this crank shaft is attached here, which moves on its longitudinal axis, and one scraper. Okay, one scraper is provided here side of these rollers, which gives the removal of material which is sticked on over this casing. Here these rollers are too much heavy, may weigh several tons. These stones are too much heavy stones, and here one bed is present. On the bed we place the material. Okay, solid material. Then next point is working. In that, okay, here a material is placed. Okay, placed in this casing. Then mill is started. Okay, then mill is started. Then the rollers or the stones are rotated on its axis. Okay, on its longitudinal axis. In this, one scraper is attached with these stones for removing the material, attached with the wall of casing. Okay, here attached with the wall of casing. When stones are rotated, then the outer side of the stones have to travel a greater distance than the inner, so that size reduction is achieved by shearing as well as crushing. So after period of time, okay, after period of time the material is proper ground, and then powder is collected and it is passed through in a sieve to get a desired size of powder, and this procedure is a batch process. Okay, this is all about the working of the edge runner mill. Here this is the principle, this is the working. Then next point is the uses. What is uses? It is used for the tough materials, also used for the plant based products, also used for the chemicals and drugs. Then what is the advantages? This edge runner mill does not require attention during the operation. Means एकदा का मटेरियल लोड करून स्टार्ट केले की तिकडे पाहायचीच गरज नाही, ॲटोमॅटिकली साईज रिडक्शन होते आणि थोड्या वेळानंतर आपण पावडर मटेरियल रिमूव्ह करू शकतो. Okay, this is the advantage of this mill. Next is the disadvantages. In that contamination is possible due to rollers. Okay, contamination is possible due to the rollers. Not suitable for sticky materials, because the material is sticked on the rollers, so there is no shearing and crushing is occur. Also it requires lots of energy consumption. Then here it is a it occupies more space than the commonly used mills. Okay, and it is a time consuming process. These all about the disadvantages of edge runner mill. Next point is end runner mill. Here the actual diagram of this end runner mill, this it looks like this. It is based on the working of mortar and pestle. It looks so complicated, but it is too much easy. Okay, then what is the principle of this end runner mill? In that, here size reduction is done by crushing due to heavy weight pestle which is made up from the stainless steel. Here shearing force is also involved during movement of mortar and pestle. Shearing stress means or shearing force means deformation of material by stress. आपण काय करणार आहे इथं पेसल थ्रू एक स्ट्रेस एखादा फोर्स अप्लाय करून काय करणार आहेत साइज रिडक्शन करणार आहेत. ओके, इन दॅट दिस मिल वर्क्स लाईक दॅट मॉर्टर अँड पेसल. Okay, mill works like that mortar and pestle. In mortar and pestle, the mortar produces impact as well as attrition, means compression towards the material and gives proper size reduction. Like this, the mill shearing stress is applied for proper size reduction. Then what is the construction of this mill? Here this diagram shows the end runner mill. It is like a mechanical mortar and pestle. Here at the top it consists of a pestle which is a dumbbell shaped. Then it is placed this is a scraper. Here this is a scraper is present for scraping the material sticked on the mortar walls. Here mortar is present which is made up from the steel. Then it is connected at the bottom side. Here at the bottom side flanked plate is present, and also here one beveled cock is fitted. It is used for cleaning or modification purpose. These flanked plate are welded or screwed. The pestle is here, the pestle is round from the bottom side at the center which is a present. Then what is the working of this mill? Here material is placed inside mortar. Okay, then the mortar is rotates at high speed. The pestle is placed in the mortar with the scraper. The rotating mortar causes the revolution of pestle. Here due to this size reduction is achieved by shearing as well as crushing. After proper size reduction of the material, the powder is collected from the mortar and passed through a sieve to get the desired size of powder. Here what is the working? Here the material is placed inside this mortar. The mortar is rotated at high speed. The pestle is placed in the mortar with the scraper. This rotate. Okay, after rotation of this mortar, the rotating mortar causes the revolution of pestle. Due to this, size reduction is achieved by shearing as well as crushing. Okay, shearing of the material as well as crushing. After proper size reduction, the material of the powder is collected from this mortar and passed through a sieve to get the desired size of powder. Okay, then this is all about the working. Then what is the uses of the end runner mill? It is suitable for fine grinding purpose. Nowadays this mill is replaced by more efficient and sophisticated milling equipment. Also, what is the advantages of this mill? It is used for the fibrous materials, bark, woods, fruits, also leaves, etc. Also, wet grinding with very viscous materials such as ointments and paste is also possible with this end runner mill. And what is the disadvantage? Here the end runner mill is not suitable for drugs which are in a unbroken or slightly broken conditions. This is all about the end runner mill.
एक 5-10 सेकंड एकले तो सैमसंग कहेवाय ने ये जोलो ना सैमसंग बस